Hey guys, this is Gopian Army, and today I got an unboxing video for you guys of the Axial SCX10. There it is. Pretty massive. So I'm going to unbox it and then show you guys. Alright, since my desk is not big enough, I'll just go ahead and take everything out. So we got some stuff there. Look at this. Massive bag of extra parts. Wow. Actually, there's some really awesome things in there. I have to check that out. Right here we got a receiver or a radio. Looks pretty good. Never seen this design before. Seems pretty good though. Got some basic functions. That should work. Here you go, guys. This thing's actually bigger than I thought it was. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was. And guys, you know I'm not very great at crawling yet, but I hope to learn. The tires feel pretty good. And I really don't want to do a ton of upgrades on this car. I do have an upgrade already. I already got because I wanted it. But I hope to not do anything upgrading. I hope it doesn't need it. Getting there. Now it looks like we've got zip ties on the bottom. And there we go, guys. There is the Axial SCX10 Deadbolt. Some clips. Already lost a body pin. Figured that would happen. These clips in the back are kind of hard to get to. Ah, look at that. So my first rock crawler / trail truck. So I'll see you guys in the videos where I make this. There'll be plenty out. If you have any video suggestions for what you want to see with this car, let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you next time.